JNNC Technologies Private Limited Software Training Institute in Visakhapatnam.
This is Jack. This is Jack deciding to become a software engineer. This is Jack trying to learn C++ from a book and random low-quality YouTube videos. This is Jack trying to understand an unhandled exception. This is Jack dealing with memory leaks. This is Jack wrestling with compilation errors. And this is Jack's laptop being thrown out of a window. This is Jack, never programming again. Don't be Jack. This is C++ for the rest of us, an online course for normal human beings who want to learn to code in C++. No computer science degree required. We are going to teach you the fundamentals of C++, including data types, operators, functions, statements, input and output, loops, switches, arrays, pointers, vectors, binary numbers, and more. This course consists of 45 high-quality video lectures, 12 homework assignments, and a final exam. Plus, we have teaching assistants standing by to help you anytime you get stuck, and thousands of fellow students in our Facebook group where you can discuss any programming topic you wish. Once again, don't be Jack. C++ does not have to be a nightmare to learn. Enroll today. We'll see you in the course.